was a good day. And today is Wednesday. I would think that he would be there. Because he's
The guy that's supposed to be fixing your mark.
they have been out here. They ain't came and cut y'all tree yet, but they been cutting trees.
Yeah,
I've seen them cutting trees.
but they ain't got over here yet.
Uh-huh.
And Arnold, those was cats running up on the roof.
Okay,
Mhm.
really?
Yeah, cats can climb.
I know they can climb,
Mhm.
but
Yeah, that's them, but Tracy seen them up there. But I thought they were squirrels, but they can't. I mean, 4 o'clock in the morning
They
sometimes.
just having a good time.
Uh-huh, they just running back and forth. I don't know if they playing or fighting or what they doing. You know, the last time we went there, we used that.
So how the baby doing?
She's doing okay. She's home, Jasmine, but they still are waiting for her referral because I guess the cardiologist, that doctor that she has for a heart problem,
say here,
he says that
the meeting is being live streamed.
he don't think that they
Okay,
need
got
to
it.
go in there. That's a major surgery that get that time because she does have some airway going in there. But for her lungs and other stuff that's wrong with her, she has to be.
Is that hereditary? Something that happened.
Something like that. Yeah, she was born with a heart problem.
Well, my oldest twin, he didn't come right at the hospital because he had something wrong with his heart.
He got growth.
Uh,
That's what they
Oh,
I think he had like a mold in it or something like that.
Break.
He has to stay in the hospital longer than the youngest one.
That's something else that goes on.
And the youngest one was the fattest one, but he ain't fat now. Both of them just getting done tall. That's all they about. They'll probably be tall as they tall. They taller than their mama now.
I'm not
And
gonna
they
plug this in.
Mhm.
I ain't gonna plug this in until I hear him talk.
Last time we tried to use that, it didn't work out well. Did it?
I don't know, I
I
can't
don't think it
remember
worked out
what the
well.
deal was.
We had to unplug it.
Jeremy Mead. Well, he must be a lawyer.
I need to come over there and sit.
You know, when people be cooking stuff, they shouldn't bring in no new cooks that don't know what they doing, right?
Mhm. Yeah, this food, the coated,
It had taste to it,
These
but
tablets connected
well, I
now.
didn't like it.
it wasn't the same.
I
like
know.
The first one we had.
I couldn't eat it.
Like the ones that we had at the wedding, they were real good, I must say.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Anyway,
Can y'all hear me?
I can hear you.
Uh-huh.
Okay, all right. Because I'm on my phone because I forgot my computer doesn't have a camera. My camera's busted on the computer, so I forgot about that. So I'm gonna do it on my
You
phone.
took my tablet. I got it.
I brought my laptop. I didn't think about that because but I'm gonna get because she was saying we gotta. I don't
Ms.
know
Harris,
if
have you received my emails regarding settlement stuff? I've not received a response from you.
Oh, I just saw it yesterday. I apologize. I'm out of town at a conference.
Okay.
So
Well, I just want to make sure. I've been working with Andrea.
Right.
Maybe get some stuff resolved. So
So do we want to? I don't know if the judge is amenable to us adjourning it so that we can continue to resolve it, or does she really want us to set jury trial dates?
I will have to ask the judge that.
Okay.
Andrea's here. I'm assuming Andrea will be okay with adjourning this hearing date in order to try and get a resolution, maybe even a global
Okay.
resolution.
Yeah, I'd be okay with that.
Yeah, that sounds good.
I think we can, just getting there. So,
Okay, no problem. Are we in a breakout room?
no,
Oh, okay. I'm on my phone,
I
so
thought
I
it-
can't. I forgot my
yeah,
computer.
we're not on the record, so I thought I'd just ask you that. That's all.
Yeah, my computer's camera is busted, so I'm having to do this on my phone. I totally forgot about that. Yeah.
Well, we're
Okay.
here now, so we'll go,
Okay.
get the case called, and we'll try, definitely still work to figure stuff out. So,
Okay, sounds good. Thank you so much.
thank you.
Trying to find out.
Oh,
Huh?
is Miss Singleton there also?
Yeah, she's here.
Okay.
Let me see if this will come over my what's
You don't mess up. We can hear it pretty good.
No, don't do anything because we don't want any problems.
All right, we're gonna leave it like this.
Yeah, as long as
You can just get up and she can sit down if the judge needs to hear her put her opinions on the record.
Okay. Let me go get my pen and stuff. Did you have the coffee?
No, I
You want any
haven't.
coffee? Sure. That's right. You did.
Okay, and mute yourselves too.
That's with everybody. 50,
Huh?
50,
M-
with everybody.
No, it's just us.
Mom,
Huh?
mute yourselves. Y'all put your thing on mute.
Arnold?
You don't have a lot of you.
Yeah, I got it.
All right.
Mr. Marks?
Yes.
Hi, do you need to have a breakout room with Attorney Harris?
We actually had the ability to speak briefly. I'd be
Okay.
happy to. I think I know the outcome of what we want to do, assuming the judge is amenable to it. But I'd be happy to speak with Ms. Harris. Ms. Harris, do you need anything else at this time, or are you ready to go before the judge?
No, I'm ready. I
Yeah,
think we kind of hashed it out already.
Yeah, I think we had the opportunity to speak briefly. I think we're okay. Thank you.
Thanks. This is 223390 LT. This is Park Estates versus Arnold Harris and Victoria Harris. May I have your appearances, please?
Jeremy Marks appearing on behalf of the plaintiff.
And Tabitha Harris appearing on behalf of the defendants.
Good afternoon, all. Today is the day and time set for the adjourned pretrial in this matter. How are we proceeding, Ms. Harris?
Your Honor, we are still in negotiations. We did want to see if Your Honor would be amenable to allowing us an adjournment. We do think that we're able to reach a settlement, but some of the things that are that need to be settled, Your Honor, it's taking a little bit more time to get to that point. So we wanted to just kind of see what, and I think Mr. Mark said that he was okay if Your Honor is okay with it.
How long of an adjournment, Ms. Harris?
Your Honor, could we do 30 days? Would that be acceptable, Mr. Marks?
That's fine.
My next landlord tenant date, it's a little bit longer than that. It would be actually November 30th at the same 1 o'clock, if that's acceptable, if you want to check your calendars.
Thank you,
That's
Your Honor.
acceptable. That's acceptable, Your Honor.
Okay, just give me 1 second, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me double check. I just want to make sure I don't have any. Oh, that's a good date for me as well, Your Honor.
November 30th, back on Zoom, back with me at 1 PM. Are we still thinking that we'll be on track for a jury trial, or do you think you actually, Mr. Marks, be able to resolve this matter?
I'm optimistic that we can come to a resolution. So an adjournment to another hearing date would probably be appropriate.
Okay. On that November 30th date, we'll be looking to set the jury trial and any motion cutoff dates. I don't want this landlord tenant case to get too much older. Anything else, Mr. Marks?
Not at this time, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Anything else, Ms. Harris?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Harris. I will see you back here on Zoom on November 30th. Thank you for logging on timely this afternoon.
And Your Honor, Miss Singleton is also there at my parents' home to be on the Zoom. So
Are you ready on that one?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, give me one moment, please.
No problem.
We'll just switch out Mrs. Harris from Miss Singleton. This is 223388 LT. This is Park Estates versus Laura Singleton and Carl Singleton.
Jeremy Marks appearing on behalf of the plaintiff.
Tabitha Harris appearing on behalf of the Singletons, and Miss Singleton is present, Your Honor. I don't know if you can see her real well. They must need
I
the
am able to
camera.
see her. Thank you.
Okay. And Your Honor, as with the last case, Your Honor, could we also move this to the November 30th date? It's the same thing.
We'll keep them on that same track to November 30th, 2022 at 1:15. We're just switching the times. Back here on Zoom, back in number 1. And is the posture, Mr. Marks, of this case the same, that we're moving more towards resolution than a jury trial?
Yes, I believe so. I have made overtures to Ms. Harris as far as, and obviously won't go into details on the record or with Your Honor. Ms. Harris indicated her willingness to, review what we want to do going forward. So yes, long story short, yes, I think we're on the same track.
Okay.
Maybe too much info on that one.
No, because there are quite a number of these cases coming
Yes.
through, and I'm trying to keep them kind of traveling together so that we can avoid having juries pulled for December, because that would be the trial date would be December. I think I'm using the 16th. So if we're moving towards resolution, I think so. I won't start moving down that path. But as in the case before, when we come back on November 30th, if the parties have not resolved, the court will be looking to set some motion cutoff dates and schedule the jury trial, okay?
Sounds good. Thank you.
Anything
Thank
else,
you,
Mr.
Anna.
Marks?
No, that's the same.
Anything else, Ms. Harris?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Is Mr. Singleton?
Mr. Singleton, Your Honor, he's I don't think he's there. He does have a number of health issues, Your Honor.
Okay.
If it's okay to
I just like to make the notes in the file clear who was actually here. So no
Mhm.
worries. Ms. Singleton, I will see you on November 30th back at the same Zoom, okay?
They have to.
Thank
I don't
you.
know. I don't know.
I'm not sure.
She doesn't know how to unmute. Probably. I think
That's
my-
fine. As long as
Okay.
you're conveying the information to them, that's fine.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. I will do so.
Thank you, ma'am.
If there's nothing further, Your Honor, is it okay if I leave the meeting?
Yes, Ms. Harris, I'm sorry I left that part open. Have a good afternoon.
Thank you. You also.
Thank you. Mr. Marks, I think we're just waiting for 1:30 cases.
I have a 1:30 and 1:45 with you. And yeah, we're quite ahead of schedule. I'd be happy just to put myself on mute and turn off my camera until you're ready.
Absolutely. Once they're here, I think those are the 2 U of M cases. Marianne will let me know. I'll come back out to you.
Sounds good. See you then. Thank you very much.
Hello.
Hi, Mr. Curry.
Hey, how you doing?
Okay, how can I help you?
I'm currently I got court today.
It's a live exam. Yep.
Okay. I'm currently at work. I'm sorry, I'm about to pull over real quick.
What you should be here at the court.
My lawyer said log in on Zoom.
Looks I'm pulling it up and it's a live exam.
Yeah, my lawyer just
Wait 1 second. No, Mr. Curry, you have to be here at the court. It's a live exam.
I promise you, my lawyer just sent me and said I need to log in on Zoom right now.
Well, it's not in this court. It's with Judge Oakley anyway. This is Judge Martin.
Oh, I done dialed in the wrong person. Okay, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Okay.
Mr. Applebaum.
Yes.
Hi, good morning or good afternoon. What case are you here for?
Yeah, we're here for the McClendon case. I'm a student attorney and my co-attorney is joining shortly. It's number 223378.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Thanks.
Is that with you, Mr. Marks?
That is, and I was wondering if I could be put in a breakout room with my client Andrea Sherman for like a couple minutes prior to meeting with Mr. Applebaum and his colleagues.
You bet.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Applebaum, are they, the last name's Clark and is it, and Shepherd?
Yeah, Elizabeth Shepard is the other student attorney and Mira Edmonds is our supervisor who should be joining shortly.
Thank you. Is Miss Clark also with you?
Yes, I think she's supervising another case.
Got it. Okay, thank you. Miss Edmonds?
Hi. Yeah, sorry.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. Thank you. Do you need a breakout room with Mr. Marks?
I think that would be a good idea, right? Betsy Menji, yes, that would be wonderful.
Okay. He's with someone right now, but as soon as they are done, I'll put you in, all three of you in there.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm screening right now, so our conversation.
Mr. Marks, Miss Edmonds wants a breakout room with you, so I'm going to facilitate that.
Yeah, if you would include my client, Andrew Sherman, as well. Appreciate it.
Sure, yep, you bet.
So we have technology in the courtroom now. Each of the council tables has a way for people to plug their laptops in so they can stream videos or they can show pictures. They just plug in right here. They can plug their own laptops in. And where does the video appear? It shows in each of these devices. Okay, and you have one too. I have one too. There's monitors up here. There's two monitors in the jury box. You can't see because it's below this, the counter level. There's one in the witness box. And we turn on the big TV and you can see on there too. Because all my cases today were on Zoom, I'm at my desk. So I can give you, if you want to see it, I can show you this. Am I okay? Yeah, you're fine. On the other side of the wall are the holding cells for in-person criminal cases. I'm tutoring on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Oh, really? Yeah. They asked for some volunteers at the all-class reunion. So I said, I used to teach high school English. I could do that. So I go on Tuesdays, but the technology. It's all the kids have their own computer. They're not big ones, they're just little surface phones. Right. But all the assignments and everything are, isn't this nice? And so that's my secretary's seat. Oh my God. These are just my cases for this afternoon. They're in the breakout rooms. Okay. But this is the same monitor that's at the council table and in the witness box. So if there was something playing, I would see it here. This is what I use to control where it's being played, if it's just, and who's playing it. If the defense is playing it, the plaintiff is playing it, something for me, and who can see it. Did they send you to a special class to pick up on all this stuff? No. Our IT, we have an in-house IT person. He came up and showed me and we just use it. It's worked out wonderful. And who's your IT person? Fred McAnally. I don't know. He was our computer guy in the other building too. There's the switch for court in session, not in session. So people out there see there's a red light over the door right now that tells people I'm in session. I have it on even if I'm on Zoom because people walk through here and I want them to know. You look in the top left corner, it tells you that we're live on YouTube and that we're recording. Marianne's going to call me as soon as the cases are ready. There's just nothing ready right now. Okay. This is fabulous. What nice presentation too. This is very nice. Local artists out of Livonia. It's metal. Very nice. And I just wanted something in here because there was nothing on the wall. And I don't decorate a lot at work. But I wanted something that was Michigan. I'll get something from Van Buren and they'll do it. Good, okay. Watch that step. I will. Good to see you, man. Yes, thank you. Nice to see you, Lisa. Always my pleasure. Come to the next meeting. Yes, ma'am. 28. Thank you for the reminder. My apologies, I had an unexpected visitor. One of the senior attorneys in our community popped in for a quick behind the scenes. Thank you, Mr. Marks. This is 223369 LT. This is Park Estates versus Vanessa Bowman. May I have your appearances, please?
Jeremy Mark Spearing on behalf of the plaintiff, Your Honor. This is actually 223378 Park Estates versus Alana McClendon. Not trying to contradict you, but the parties are, if you'd like to call Bowman, certainly can. But we were meeting for the McClendon case.
Two 22337 LT, Park Estates versus Alana McClendon.
Jeremy Mark Spearing on behalf of the plaintiff.
Benjamin Applebaum appearing on behalf of the defendant and requesting permission to practice under Michigan Court Rule 8.120 under the supervision of Mayor Edmonds.
Permission granted, Mr. Applebaum.
Thank you.
Today was the day and time set for the adjourned pretrial in this matter. Mr. Applebaum, how are we proceeding this afternoon?
We'd like to proceed with scheduling a trial date for jury trial.
Sir, are you requesting any motion dates or you just want the jury trial date?
No, just the jury trial date.
Sir, that date will be December the 16th. If you want to check your calendars, Mr. Marks, Ms. Edmonds.
That's fine by
and
us,
Mr.
Your Honor.
Applebaum.
Yeah, Benji and Betsy, it's December 16th. A date that you're neither traveling nor doing a final exam.
I don't believe, I think that should work for me.
That should also work for me.
And Judge, I would know, we have been in conversation with opposing counsel and we're still hopeful that we can work something out. But at this time, we would like to schedule that trial date in the meantime, and December 16th is good for all of us then.
A live jury trial date will be December 16th, 2022 at 9 a.m. That's here at 34th District Court, courtroom number 1.
Your Honor, if I may, will the jury selection be at 9 o'clock and then the trial directly afterwards? Is that how you conduct these?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
And what we typically do is a final pretrial 2 weeks before that will put us on December 2nd, but that feels like a bad date, Mary Ann.
Yep, give me 1 second.
And I'll do the same things. Please start looking at your calendars. I'm going to grab some calendars. I didn't think that we would be scheduling a trial this afternoon, so let me make sure that that final pretrial date works.
Betsy and Benji, have you checked December 2nd and then the following week as well?
Yeah, that should be fine with me. I just haven't the like 7th.
My only exam is on the 9th.
There is actually something scheduled on December the 2nd, so we will do the final pretrial on December the 1st. Mr. Marks, do you have any time constraints on Thursday, December the 1st?
Anytime is fine, Your Honor.
Judge,
Mr. Applebaum?
sorry, the morning would be much better for us on the 1st.
December 1st. The problem is, no, we have a misdemeanor docket that day. How early are you available?
As early as the court needs us to be.
Mary Ann, we have Romulus that morning, but we'll do this final pretrial on December 1st at 8. I'm sorry. Nope, I'm not gonna have them behind that stuff. Friday will have to be December 2nd at 8:30 a.m. on Zoom for the final pretrial. Mr. Applebaum and Mr. Marks, the court is setting that as the deadline also for you to file your witness and exhibit list, your proposed jury instructions. And that will be the settlement cutoff date. This court will send out the request for the jurors probably a month before. So if you reach a resolution, please let us know as soon as possible. If you need to get back before the court before that December 2nd final pretrial date, same request, please let us know. Reach out to my secretary, Mary Ann, or to the civil department so that we can get you back before the court and don't unnecessarily summon a panel of jurors. Anything else in this matter, Mr. Marks?
No, Your Honor.
Anything, Ms. Edmonds?
No, Judge, thank you very much.
Anything else, Mr. Applebaum?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. I will see everyone on December 2nd unless something comes up before that time.
Thank you.
Are we ready on the Bowman matter as well?
I haven't had a chance, my client and I have not had a chance to meet
Okay,
with.
we'll get you back into your breakout then.
Thank you.
Mr. Brewer,
Yes, Your Honor.
sir, what are you here for?
I'm here on the Bowman's matter.
Okay,
Do you want me to put everybody in the same breakout room, Mr. Marks?
That's fine.
Okay, thanks.
I don't need to be put in that breakout room, but Victoria Clark or other supervising attorney could be.
Okay.
Ms. Edmonds,
Yes, Judge.
are you able to reach Mr. Applebaum? I neglected to ask he and Mr. Marks the anticipated length of time they needed for their trial on December 16th.
Sure. Would you like me to bring him back?
If you're able to, and we'll pick it up at the conclusion of the Bowman matter if the parties are ready in Bowman.
Okay, I'll do that.
Thank you.
Here, Your Honor.
This is 223369 LT. This is Park Estates versus Vanessa Bowman. May I have your appearances, please?
Jeremy Marks appearing on behalf of the plaintiff.
Malak Kanani for the defendant, asking for permission to practice under Michigan Court Rule 8.120 under the supervision of Mira Edmonds.
Request granted.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Today is the day and time set for the adjourned pretrial in this matter. Mr. Marks, how are we proceeding?
Your Honor, I had an opportunity to speak with opposing counsel in this matter. And we are currently in settlement negotiations. And I, along with my client, are in the process of responding to a counterclaim they have filed. We anticipate a resolution in the matter in settlement. So we would request an adjournment of this hearing as opposed to setting a jury trial date at this point.
We will adjourn this case to November the 30th, 2022. Mary Ann, where did we leave off? At 1:30?
On what date? I'm sorry, Judge.
I'm sorry, November 30th, ma'am.
Okay, let me look. Yes, that was, we left off 1:30.
So 1:45, please, for the adjourned pretrial of the Bowman matter. And if we don't have a resolution on that date, we'll schedule your future dates, whether it's motion cutoff or the jury trial date. Anything else, Mr. Marks?
Not this time, Your Honor. Thank you.
Anything else on behalf of Ms. Bowman?
No, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Have a good afternoon, ma'am.
You as well.
Thank you. Mr. Marks and Mr. Applebaum, on the McClendon matter 223378 LT, when we scheduled the matter for jury trial, I neglected to ask Mr. Marks, how long do you anticipate to put on your case?
I would say probably a half day would be sufficient.
And same question, Mr. Applebaum.
Yeah, we think that half a day to a day should be sufficient. I don't think it'll be too long.
Thank you. That just for planning purposes for court staff. Thank you for rejoining us, Mr. Applebaum. Is there anything else, Mr. Marks, in the McClendon matter?
Not this time, Your Honor. Thank you.
Anything else, Mr. Applebaum?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Everyone have a good afternoon.
Thank you.
You as well. Thanks, Your Honor. Thank you, Andrew, if you're up today.
Thank you.
I just wanted to make sure, I see LG Stylo 6. I wanted to make sure that's not one of our clients.
The audio is not connected, so I'll sit tight until I am able to identify her.
Okay, I can stay here until we do that. So I think that might be the Bowmans.
Mary Ann?
Yes, ma'am.
We have one unidentified person. I have no files left. If she comes back, have you try to see if you can pull her in and coach her through getting connected to her audio.
Sure, I will.
Ma'am? Nope, she's not. She's still not.
All right, looks like they're gone. We'll reach out to the Bowmans and make sure if that was them, that they know the case has been called. And I'll
Thank
sign
you
off
so
now.
much.
All right, thank you, Judge. Take
Have
care.
a good afternoon.
You too. Bye-bye.